The background attachment will be useful only when there is a scroll bar for the element. It is generally be used with the body tag. Suppose you have applied the background image for the body tag and it has the scroll bar. When you scroll the page up and down, this property decides whether the background image should be scrolled along with the text or not. The background attachment property has two important possible options, that is scroll and fixed. And the scroll is the default. In case of scroll, the background image will be scrolled along with the text when you scroll the page up and down. But in case of fixed, the background image stable as it is means will not be scrolled along with the text when you scroll the page up and down. Don't worry, you will understand this only when you see it visually. So let me demonstrate the background attachment property by applying the background image for the body tag of the states.html file. So I am writing the code in the states.html file. Let me make this background size as cover as usual. And let's apply background image for the body tag. That means I wish to see the background image for the entire web page. So coming to the body, here body represents the complete web page. So in the body, background-image equal to, in the URL, specify the path of the image file. So in this case, the background image appears, but since the background image is smaller, the background image gets repeated automatically. But I wish to cover up the background image fully only once. I don't want to make it repeated. So in this case, we can use background repeat, no repeat, and also background size equal to cover. So the background image appears only once. And since the image is too small, the quality of the background image was lost. Instead, let me use another different image. That is, for example, we have another image called banner.jpg. I wish to apply this image as a background image for the body tag. And I am trying to keep this in the C:\web folder. So in the C:\web, we have the banner.jpg file and place it inside the images folder. So this is the banner.jpg file in the images folder. And I wish to set this as a background image for the body tag of the states.html file. At your practice time, you can download this image from resources button in the same lecture. So in the states.html file, in the body tag, let me change the path of the file. That is, for example, images/banner.jpg. And now that image appears as background image. And now notice, when you scroll the page up and down, the background image also is getting moved along with that content. I am trying to scroll down the page. So background image also is being moved along with the content. This is because background attachment equal to scroll by default. Instead, we are trying to specify background attachment fixed. So in this case, when you try to scroll down the page, see the background image is being stable, only the content is being moved on the top of that. So the background image of the body is stable as it is because of background attachment equal to fixed. So it is your choice, whichever you like or whichever is suitable for that content, you can use that. In case if you wish the background image should be fixed as it is, in that case you can prefer using background attachment as fixed. In that case only content is being scrolled but not the background image like this. This is how do you understand background attachment property in CSS3.